Hey guys, Dr. Ware checking in from Levine Veterinary Center. So another summertime tip. With summertime we have monsoon season, we have the 4th of July. So those are two big things where we have a lot of dogs come in and a lot of owners calling in about what we call noise phobia. So that's when dogs really get stressed out and fearful because of really loud noises. They hear the thunder, and as you guys know, dogs can hear thunder way before we can because they can kind of hear the thunder and they feel the vibrations. And also with fireworks with Independence Day. So, fortunately there's a lot of good medications out that are really new. There's a new one called Stelio that we have that works awesome for noise phobia for dogs, and it really makes them chill out and relax. They don't get stressed out during those times. I'm sure you guys heard of thunder vests. Sometimes they work and sometimes they don't in my own personal experience with dogs, but I certainly think it's worth a shot with them. It kind of provides them comfort. It's a nice harness that goes around their chest. And then obviously one of the most important things is keeping them safe. I've seen dogs jump through sliding glass windows. I've seen them jump through kitchen windows all the way up over the countertops. I've seen them damage household materials because they're anxious. So really identifying a location in the house that's nice and safe for them. You can also turn the music up, some kind of white noise as we call it, so it kind of diminishes the sounds of the other things. So those are some things you can do at home. And then obviously putting them in a safe location where they can't hurt themselves. So something to consider for the loud noises coming up in the near future here. Thanks so much.